Connor tries to go for it. It's fun. Try again. It's like 20 degrees outside. You can't figure out how to. Come on, I'll help you.
Like the funnest thing.
Well, Connor, how is it?
Fun.
Is it fun?
Yeah.
All right, come on. All right, ready?
Finally.
Finally what? Go ahead. You can do it again. Your butt hurts?
What?
Is that what you said? Your butt hurts?